Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Do I Add an Island to an Existing Kitchen Space? Welcome aboard this kitchen cruise where we're navigating the waters of design to add an island worthy of its own zip code. It's the dream, right? An island to serve as prep station, breakfast bar, and gathering hub, all without setting sail to new territory. First, let's size up the anchor of this operation, your space. Assess the room you have available and maintain clear passageways. Aim for at least 36 inches of aisle space around your island, because squeezing through tight spots is for hobbies like spelunking, not cooking. Then consider your island's role. Is it a prep station crowned with a chopping board? A storage savior housing dishes and utensils? Or perhaps a social hub for morning coffee and impromptu wine chats at day's end? Knowing its job function steers the design and ensures it serves your needs better than a butler attending afternoon tea. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. When talking layout, consult the professionals who can gauge not just the aesthetics but the structural can-dos of your kitchen. Ensure plumbing, electrical, and ventilation plans are locked and loaded before hammering in a single nail. Choosing the right countertop material makes a difference too. Granite can withstand the heat of your culinary adventures, while quartz offers a low-maintenance glam. Each surface is a veritable red carpet for your culinary awards show. And storage. Oh, the potential. Drawers for days, cabinets for miles. Envision deep drawers for pots, sneaky slots for cutting boards, or even a hidden trash bin. Channel your inner magician and pull storage solutions out like rabbits from hats. Speaking of magic, lighting can turn your island from ordinary rock to dazzling resort sea view. Pendant lights, recessed lighting, or even under-counter LEDs make the ideal partners for illuminating your island oasis. Then there's seating. Incorporate bar stools to invite in the fam. For meals on the go or late-night cereal binges while skimming the news. It's a spot that celebrates togetherness, a true beacon in your kitchen ecosystem. So there you have it, folks. With these strategies, you can transform your kitchen into a place where both form and function stride hand in hand. Your island won't just be a feature, it'll be a destination. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.